A glass skin skincare routine emphasizes hydration, brightness, and nourishment for a smooth, radiant complexion. Essential ingredients include hyaluronic acid, which deeply hydrates and plumps the skin, niacinamide, which improves skin texture, minimizes pores, and reduces fine lines, vitamin C, which brightens and evens skin tone, gentle chemical exfoliants, which helps reveal smoother, more refined skin, ceramides, which strengthens the skin barrier and retain moisture, peptides, which boost collagen production for firmer, more elastic skin. These ingredients work synergistically to create the luminous, glass-like appearance characteristic of this trend. Here are key tips to achieve glass skin. Number 1 is double cleansing, the foundation of glass skin. Double cleansing is essential for achieving glass skin. This method effectively removes the day's buildup, leaving the skin clean and prepped for further treatments. Step 1 is to use an oil-based cleanser. Oil-based cleansers dissolve lipophilic substances like sebum, makeup, and SPF, breaking down these impurities without stripping the skin. Step 2 is to use a water-based cleanser. Follow with a water-based cleanser to wash away sweat, pollutants, and other water-soluble impurities, ensuring a thorough, deep clean. This two-step approach ensures the skin is fully cleansed, free of residue, and ready to absorb the hydrating and nourishing products that are integral to a glass skin routine. Number 2 is exfoliation, a key step for glass skin. Exfoliation plays a vital role in achieving a smoother texture and brighter complexion by removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. Here are a few tips for effective exfoliation. Choose gentle acids. Opt for polyhydroxy acids, which exfoliate effectively with minimal irritation, making them suitable for sensitive skin. Avoid abrasive scrubs. Steer clear of harsh physical exfoliants that may damage the skin barrier. Frequency. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times per week, depending on your skin type and sensitivity, to avoid over-exfoliation. By incorporating the right exfoliant into your routine, you can maintain a healthy, radiant glow without compromising your skin's integrity. Number 3 is toners and essences, hydration and barrier repair. Toners and essences are crucial for achieving glass skin as they lay the foundation for hydration and skin barrier repair. These products provide the first layer of moisture, which is essential for the glass skin look. Key benefits are pH balance. Toners help restore and maintain the skin's optimal pH levels. Hydration. Both toners and essences deliver a lightweight layer of hydration, plumping the skin. Enhanced absorption. By softening the skin, they prepare it to absorb serums and moisturizers. Barrier repair. Certain formulations strengthen the skin barrier, promoting resilience and reducing sensitivity. Apply with clean hands or a cotton pad, patting gently to ensure absorption. Look for hydrating ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, or Centella asiatica for added nourishment. Incorporating toners and essences into your routine ensures a well-hydrated, balanced base, setting the stage for the rest of your skincare regimen. Number 4 is serums, targeted treatments for glass skin. Serums are a vital step in a glass skin routine, offering concentrated ingredients to address specific skin concerns while boosting hydration. Key benefits are hydration. Many serums are formulated with humectants like hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate and plump the skin. Brightening. Serums with vitamin C or niacinamide help improve dullness and even out skin tone. Anti-aging. Ingredients like retinol or peptides target fine lines and promote collagen production. Spot treatment. Serums containing salicylic acid or azelaic acid can address acne or pigmentation issues. Use 1 to 2 pumps or drops of serum, gently pressing it into the skin. Layer serums with different benefits, but avoid combining potentially reactive ingredients, e.g., vitamin C and retinol. Allow the serum to fully absorb before moving to the next step in your routine. By tailoring your serum choices to your skin's specific needs, you can amplify hydration, brightness, and overall clarity, essential for achieving the glass skin look. Number 5 is moisturizers, locking in hydration for glass skin. Moisturizer serves as the final step in your hydration-focused glass skin routine, acting as a seal to lock in all the benefits of prior steps. Benefits are seals, hydration, creates a barrier to retain moisture and maximize the effectiveness of serums and essences. Nourishes and protects, provides long-lasting hydration while soothing and strengthening the skin barrier. Apply a nickel-sized amount after your serums, spreading evenly over your face and neck. Use a moisturizer suitable for your skin type, lightweight for oily skin, richer formulations for dry skin. By incorporating the right moisturizer, you ensure your skin remains hydrated, soothed, and prepped for that radiant glass skin glow. And number 6 is sunscreen, the non-negotiable step for glass skin. Sunscreen is an essential final step in a glass skin routine, safeguarding the luminous, hydrated complexion you've worked to achieve. Without it, UV damage can undermine your skincare efforts and accelerate visible aging. Sunscreen is crucial because it prevents visible aging. Up to 90% of visible aging is caused by sun exposure, protects skin clarity, shields against sun-induced pigmentation and dullness, preserves skin health, reduces the risk of sunburn and long-term damage. Apply sunscreen every day, regardless of weather or indoor activity, as UV rays can penetrate windows. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 for effective protection. Use about a nickel-sized amount for your face and neck, and reapply every 2 hours if outdoors. By incorporating sunscreen into your routine, you protect your skin's clarity, radiance, and health, ensuring your glass skin glow lasts for the long term.